Hey everyone, so how are you and welcome back to my channel again, and today I'm going to show you how to make an origami flapping bird. Check this out, it flaps its wing, and some of my friends also told me to how to make this flapping bird, so I'm making for them. And and can you see this t-shirt here, right? And this is a t-shirt that I painted. And anyway, so let's start how to make this model. So we need a paper that is colored on one side and white on the other. Let's start by white side up and fold in half. Make a crease. Unfold right here. Unfold, turn over, and make diagonal folds on both sides. Unfold, and maybe, yes, we have to turn over and make a score base. This is the way to make a score base. Lift this layer here and this over here. Watch that carefully. And this is a square base. It's called a square base. Now here, just fold these two corners to this line right there. Done. Unfold and fold this corner about that much. Unfold, turn over, and now we're going to form both, and it's kind of just, you have to do like this. This is a really, you have to watch this carefully how to do this right there. We're making a bird base. This is called a bird base. There are different bases of origamis, like the water bomb base, the bird base, the skirt base, and a kite base, and etc. So we do right here, you see, turn over, and the same thing on here. You have to repeat. Okay, so we have done like this, and bring these two flaps down. You see a flap right here. Lift this up, and about that much is okay. And that much is okay. And just curve this to shape the bird. And the same thing just right here. This is one of my favorite origami models I'm showing you today. And we've done that much. Okay, now let's just push this to form a beak, and it's a beak for the bird. And I'll let this flap up. Now you're almost to the end. Fold this flap like that, and just one last fold, the same thing here. And our origami flapping bird is ready. Pull a tail, and it flaps its wings. So how to do it? Hold your hand like this here, and there's a tail. Pull the tail, and it flaps. So I hope you like my video today. And okay, bye bye everyone, and please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for all the options, and you will get all the videos in time. Bye.